Hey Royals, my name is Daphne Cruz from Strictly Royal Racing. At Strictly Royal Racing, we specialize in front splitters and we also make side skirts and diffusers that are 100% custom to your vehicle. Everything is custom made to our customers' liking. If they want the front to be a little more angled or a little more pointy or something with a unique design, we can do that. We use high quality premium materials. Our materials are light, they're water resistant, they're road resistant.
We pride ourselves in selling high quality splitters at an affordable price for any gearhead.
If you'd like more information on a custom splitter, side skirt, or diffuser, feel free to hit us up on Instagram at Strictly Royal Racing or my personal Instagram at iDaphne, IDAFFNE. Earn your crown today.